Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Hollywoodbets app on your mobile device. Now before we get started, for Android users, Hollywoodbets doesn't always have the app listed inside their Google Play Store, so you usually need to download it directly from the official website. Now if you're an iPhone user, iOS, you can go ahead and open up your App Store on your iPhone and search for Hollywoodbets and download and install the official app. So for Android users, go ahead and open up a web browser and then go to hollywoodbets.net. Make sure to go to the official website and don't download an APK or any files that isn't from Hollywoodbets. Now, once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on the three horizontal bars, top left-hand corner of the page. If we scroll down here, we've got three options. So we can download it on the App Store, explore on App Gallery, or download APK for Android. So that's the three ways how we can do this. Now, I'm pretty certain that Hollywoodbets isn't on the App Store because of the policy compliance. So gambling apps often run into stricter rules depending on the country. So Google has policies around gambling, betting, age restrictions, licenses, etc. And also regulatory and licensing issues, developer decisions, and even fraud protection. So that's why you're not seeing that on the Play Store. So from here, go ahead and click on the download APK for Android. Now, this is normal. So go ahead and click on download anyway. Then it should say file downloaded. Go ahead and open that. Now, once you've opened it, down the bottom of the screen, it says Hollywoodbets. Do you want to install this app? Install. Now that's going to go ahead, download and install that app on your mobile device. So give that a few moments to do its thing. And now it should say Hollywoodbets app installed. Go ahead and open the application. Now, once you've done that, you're going to be inside the app. So if you found this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe.